Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the monthly chart of value line INC. Now, if you are observing this chart, there are huge amount of volatility on both the side. But overall, if you are looking at this trend, let's observe the current range. So there is a trend, as you can see, in between which the stock is moving, but there are some huge volatilities, but overall if you observe that trend is on the upside. So if you are looking at the initial of the current trend, what we have here is your stop loss at 26.8 and you will have your target at 46.18 or 46.2. so this is the current trend which you are going to look at for the time being, and this is how the trend looks like. Now if you are looking at the overall chart, what we can see over here, that 46.18 is the target in between the current movement or in between the current trend inside which the stock is moving. Okay, so this highlighted section, if you are looking at this highlighted section in between which the stock is moving, in between these two support and resistance line, and for which 46.18 is going to be your target or resistance level. But beyond that, if you are looking here, you have your big target of 59.26, and then the higher end of the range, if you're looking at the higher end of the range, you have 76, which is the high that the stock has made in the year 2004. So these are some old levels that's going to be tested in the upcoming sessions. So this is actually very good because this will give us a confidence about the stock as well as the trend. I missed one more level, so you will have your initial target starting from 49. So after 46 we have 49, then we have 59, and we have 76. So I mean, simply looking at this chart, these are the levels, or this is the current trend, and these are the big levels that we are looking over here as far as the big trend is concerned. And you have your stop loss at similar level, so 26.8, let's say $26 is going to be your stop loss. So I mean, this is a plain vanilla trend analysis, but there is a lot more things that are yet to be discussed, because there is a swing and the volatility getting increased over a period of last couple of years, which means that the next move is not going to uh, settle in between 59 or 76, or it's not going to stop near $76. Obviously 76 is your big resistance, that's fine, but it's not going to settle near that. So if you are observing this chart, let me show it to you. So if you observe the overall trend, so as you can see, this is the lower end of the range, but as far as the higher end of the range is concerned, if I draw a trend line like this, and there is nothing wrong in it. Why? Because you have multiple uh, uh, peaks that are supporting, because of which this line has formed. So as you can see, 1 2 if I join this as well, yeah, 1 2 3 4. So this is typically a trend line. So if the stock makes a breakout beyond 76 or $77, in that case the big target that we are looking here, or the higher end of the range, and this it will be in between 184 and $213 on the upside. So this is what we are looking at as far as the big swing is concerned, and obviously this is going to take its own time. But the way the current trend looks like, so what is happening actually, you can see that the trend gets squeezed over a period of time. In this case, you will see a sudden spurt. We don't know when will it happen, that's why we are considering it for long term. And if there is a big spurt, we know the levels that we are going to look at moving forward, or in the upcoming weeks or months. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.